Hello and welcome to today's video. So I got in the Fave box, and Fee, being Felicia Jarrell from Gold Mine and Coco, she is the CEO. She released a box full of like curated items that she personally loves. Of course, it also included some exclusive things from Gold Mine and Coco as well. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything with you, and I thought, why not show my face? So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First up was this envelope, and you guys see, bring it in a little closer, just a white envelope with the seal. And it says Fee's Fave. And this was on the back. Super cute. So you open it up. Ooh. So literally, it gives you a whole play of everything that's in here. Okay, well, let's jump into it. Why don't we? So I know this box was like a pretty decent sized box full of stuff. So I know first things first, it was a blanket in there. Ooh, buddy. So, let me open up the blanket. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see. Very much like the blanket before. So here's the top. I'm gonna just go up so you guys can see. Those are the dolls. They got their book. You got Gold Mine and Coco. And then that's the bottom. So I'm a little out of frame. So I'm 5'1", and this goes from my feet. That's my feet to my nose. So that's a big blanket. Okay, that's a big blanket. It's super cozy. It has like the Sherpa on the inside, similar to what her previous one was. Let's see, what does it say? Purpose, live on purpose. It says live on purpose. So boom, we got the 50 by 60 inch Sherpa blanket. Okay, next up, we got a desk mat. Ooh, buddy. Look at this. This is beautiful. Love the colors. Very spring. Super cute. We got a desk mat. I love the frills. This is very much like me with my 4C hair. I'm loving this. It says stay positive. I love this. This is super pretty. So next up we have the desk mat. All right. If I had to guess, I'm gonna say this is probably the tumbler. So we have a metallic straw and the cleaner. And then this is the tumbler. It matches the desk mat. Super cute. It's a 16 ounce. Open it up. Has like the stainless steel on the inside. You guys see that? Super cute. So that's next up. And after that, we did get a pouch. Super cute. This is the pouch. It has the hands on it. And it says chestnut checkers. It's gold hardware. Well, it has a gold zipper. The zipper is actually black. And inside is black as well. Show you guys. Nice little joint, gonna be going right into the car. Boop. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got next here. Oh yes, we got a crew neck tee. So I know when you placed your order, you had to also give your size. So I got this in a medium. which I think was a good thing because probably once I wash it, scrap down so you guys can see. Once I wash it, yeah, I probably even could have got a small actually, but it's the same exact design as the dust mat. This one is a little, it's not as crisp as the other picture, but that could just be because of the screen printing. Not really sure, but yep. We want, let's go ahead and just open it. So we got some stickers. So here, this is a coloring book. That's what the front looks like again. It says chestnut checkers. And this is super cute. I'll do like a flip and actually put it on the screen so you guys can see it. This is a nice little coloring book. And of course we got some stickers. So this is, it's called Book Club, Book Lover Script. And I'll also do like a quick flip and put this on here. So you got Book Club, currently reading, read sis, I need that, eat, sleep, read, reading time, all booked up, crazy book lady, well read, readers gonna read. So that is the scripts here. And like I said, I will put like a little flip of them on the screen as well so you can see them. They cute. And we got some Book Lover dolls. Okay. So we got Haley. Ooh, and we got both skin tones. Yes. So we got Haley. And then we got Casey. She's super cute. I'm loving the glasses. Yes, give me the glasses, girls. And then we have Layla. Love Layla with this shortcut and her glasses. Like, I'm all for it. And then Maeve, I'm gonna say her name is Maeve. Maeve got glasses too though, yo. I'm loving it. Cause you know, resident person in the glasses committee here. So this is I'm gonna say Sade. She's super cute. I'm loving the comfy coziness. And then this is Zara. Zara was a little thick. I like her. So yep, that is the dolls. And we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 dolls. Both skin tones. So that was what, 24? 24 dolls if I'm doing the math right. If I'm not, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Cause it's been a long day, y'all. It's been a long day. Okay, so we got some dolls. And then we also got the Book Lover kit. So this is the theme pack. Of course, I will be opening all the stickers. So I'm not even going to try to hold all these up. I'm just going to do a little flip of it, y'all. But we got Book Lovers theme pack. So you got like all of the months on here, some habit trackers, daily reading, some books, some checklists. Then you got one like a reading list for the month, like little longer scripts. This is cute. Read list, quotes, must read. Then you got like chapters, your top reads, some washi, water trackers, some checklists, some other boxes, favorite quotes, some more trackers. You got a set of numbers, some like little circle, like they're flags, but they're circle. That's cute. Some washi strips, bookmark, some more of her like famous boxes. If you got like her theme packs, you already know. Like you already know. Must read. Got some more washi, some more with the girls. Her famous layered. I'll show you guys that one. Her layered, so cute. another one, some more quotes, and some like deco pieces. Super cute. Yeah, so that's 10 pages that you get in the theme pack. Super cute. Super cute. Oh no, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Trying to play me. And then y'all already got a freaking sticker book. So y'all already know I'm gonna do a full flip. And I don't think she's bringing this at all to the shop. I'm still gonna do a flip like I normally do. But y'all catch this in another video. And then here we got an A5 spiral notebook. So same exact cover, all the other things. And this is A5 and it's lined. Super cute. Love this. We got like a little pocket in the back, front and back. So you got a front and back pocket here. You guys see that? Front and back. That's cute. That is cute. Okay, I think that's everything on that page. So down to the stuff that I was really waiting for, okay? Y'all don't know, her dad is like a master of making the scents, all the smell good stuff. I was getting ready to cuss. If I gonna do them like that, listen, I've been waiting because this is a custom scents. We got a diffuser. If I can get it open, it don't want me to open you. Who packed my box? We got a diffuser, a candle, and a room spray. Oh yeah, I tore this box up because this is about to be all over the place. OMG. Okay. So, first up, you guys see, I don't want all this stuff to come falling out of here, but first up is the diffuser. So I don't think we have any sticks, so I'll have to like buy the like little sticks and stuff, but I love this cute little bottle. That's so cute. So on to smelling it. I'm scared. I'm nervous, but I'm ready. I don't even know what they smell like. Y'all, don't get me the lying. If I could find any information on like notes, I'll like put it on the screen or in the description box, but it has like a warm scent to it. Maybe like some type of spice. That smells good. I might have to get some scents. And this is going right into my like dressing room. Next, let's do the room spray, because I'm also excited about this. So they all had like this like little packaging on it to protect it. Appreciate it, but that's what the room spray looks like. And let's spray it. Okay, same scent. Woo! I came into that hard. My nose. Oh! It definitely has some type of spice. I don't know like notes and stuff like that, but this smells good. And I think my husband actually like it. It has like a little bit of sweetness, like a cookie, but it has some type of spice. I like it. I like it. And then here is the candle. That's what the candle looks like. I'm assuming the candle, I can't smell nothing no more, but it smells like the candle has the same smell. Y'all, I have a whole message on here. I didn't even read it. Oops. So let me read the message. It says, from a message from the CEO. Finally, the wait is over and your Fave box is here. We want to extend. Okay, so this is just an apology because it did take some time. Each item inside was carefully designed and handpicked by her, and she knows that we'll enjoy them and sticking with her. And to make the experience better, she also included a playlist for us to listen to. So we got like a little QR code for me to scan to get it. Y'all, that smells so good. I don't know what that is, but it smells good. It smells good. Y'all, listen. I truly do love GMC. I love what it stands for. I was so excited to find a shop that had planner items that looked like me. Because of course, when I first joined in, there wasn't a lot of diversity when it came to like the kits and the skin tones. I ended up subscribing to Glam Planner because she did offer it, but a lot of the other like shops that I kind of was like interested in didn't really have it. So when I found GMC, I was excited, okay, to get it. I was excited, and I am so very proud of her. She's done a lot of things since I've like come into the gym game, and I'm so looking forward to more things coming from her. Like this apotherapy, however the hell you say it. Y'all know what I mean. She's actually going to like rebrand her like namesake brand and sell this stuff. So listen, go on there now because she got her oils. Her signature oil, I feel like is a really good like nail scent. It's very like gourmand for me. Like I have a gourmand spray from Zara that I like to mix with it, and I also like to mix it with my Born in Roma. And then I got the signature, and I feel like signature is really gonna pop for the spring summer. Like I have a, what is it called? I'm gonna put the name on the screen, but I have that scent, and I mixed that scent with the signature smell. Smells so good. So I already know, okay, that's gonna be my summertime oil, okay? So go and shop. Make sure you subscribe to that, so when she starts to release this stuff, you can already be prepared. You can get the oils on subscription. I'm just saying, but I'm super happy with the items that I got. I knew I was going to love everything that I was going to get anyway. I was just definitely excited about these smell good items. Okay, listen, that's the world I'm trying to get into, so I just couldn't wait to get into it. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing my face today, because you know I normally don't show it, normally just see the hands. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on your bell notifications. I am going to be adding some new things to the channel, so if you want to see that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.